This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harn. Beautiful home with breathtaking golf course and lake views. Welcome to paradise. This stunning Dartmouth floor plan home is all about the view, offering breathtaking vistas of the golf course and a serene lake from almost every room. This residence features 2,549 square feet of living space, an open concept layout, 3 bedrooms, 2 of which are master suites, a den, 3 bathrooms, and a 3 full-car garage. The spacious kitchen is complete with a large island, stainless steel appliances, beautiful wood cabinets with custom pull-out drawers, granite counters, and a spacious walk-in pantry. The great room's pocket sliding doors open to a large lanai, providing the perfect space to add a luxurious pool and create your own private oasis. The large primary suite is a true retreat, featuring a spacious walk-in closet with custom shelving, a glass-enclosed shower, a soaking tub, and dual sinks. Furniture is also available for purchase, making this home a turnkey option. You can relax knowing this home is not in a flood zone and comes with low HOA fees that cover a wide range of services, including cable, high-speed internet, lawn care, landscape trimming, grass cutting, and mulching, and access to an incredible selection of amenities. The community offers 2 resort-style pools, a spa, tennis and pickleball courts, bocce ball, a fitness center, and various social clubs. Within the gated community, you'll find the Plantation Golf and Country Club, home to a Herds and Fry Championship 18-hole golf course, a clubhouse, and a restaurant. Golf and social memberships are optional. The location is ideal, with easy access to I-75, shopping, restaurants, and the airport, and just a short drive to the beautiful Florida beaches. This is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Don't miss your chance to live your Florida dream. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harn at 239-482-5700.